yebeyi ano edi amamidin edilu tekin obeti Michael akumia the sports Messiah nka obeti Michael Asari Bodu nka sasuna production team no Nas Kremona Daruma wa shedmadi ya yede eba be down ne dwumadi so na mo me catch up say yesi nkonwa ya dwumaku bia Daruma no mbo ye chi dom am ye dwumadi eba ne de aba be down eno an so per drink papa anuma miso fruit drink eno drink said ye dan tena sa me catch you se wo kwache obu ayarsabia na wa mfa sa drink bia nkoma na okwa anikanche obebu no na mene nkran mo ba kwankasa be nu ho ese okoso okocha na dey am if say flavors na eye kama your mango flavor and your pineapple flavor na the tense program bia say miso fruit drink and dia him and yesa catch us say ukopiem wo eye miamia wodo bia na obia egibi emerwanom empanyimfo nom abatan nom saso na pemfo nom obia timinum bi entima honsan ka bi na bia enya kama eno achi no yesan edi misa 5G edi aba wonante akrabia no wabre srade edoso ni padua nom ni nyina so benya misa 5G test ni kama emema na ebo mo papa ni nyina se egwara na ewom no na jensi na ewom no ebo ma ye memasem ye mensem ewo mpaso pia emiamo mo apiafo eno achi no ye adwuma bia no wabra what there misa 5G ma onsan kabine Dr. Silas and Mranten maba one na monten so a nkrofo so hu a no matu agusu gibi ekogu fridge me se fina baso and ye the programs how do be koso sa festive occasion yi bronya yi mu nyina no misa 5G and a miso fruit drink. Mansan Kabi, the Pianya Kamado and Chemo Manida Daniel, or 21st clinic and overseas, Upenyabi, be kind supermarket, Sister Sewa Abawa post office and Manje, and Mama Esther, Ewo Adum any Asumje Junction. And also, after Baptist University, no, Buakwa Benyabi, and a PNC Ventures so Manje taxi station, on the Charity Hospital Junction, and a Den Shasaso, and a Roman Search Enterprise, Asafa Bin to one VIP car park, and a Den Share, Ubetma Fre 0246 270221. Uti dwana ope emfaso bebra enu an so be friend ambania brobi amwaton enya mfaso bebre enu an so fre 0246 270 229 na bibia eso ayakama expert in sciatica ye Dr. Kofi Blessed First Day ene diamansa so mo dawase amo ene de na musunti woni 21st clinic ama sciatica ya de no ye hunu biem ye nti biem ayira enena nkasia tikade yaja amanfo boso ogana ha nanso enam se 21st clinic ba ye no ene siatika ye de wehin siatika ye de ayare siatika ye de enu aguase siatika ye de mesi afare ama ni nyina no se siatika ye de no enyati 21st clinic dia no wasini trase na wamuna address hwe sa nkofo ndo be pamome ampa unya piem ope ombe pamon ni nyina ye 21st clinic adwuma so omo ye omo dia bibidro ene sa yade omo se yade biefru trusu kosu na ase obombe sa doctors nurses omo bromo aso omo bene omo ebe sa yade omo lab awdo a okwa lab technicians be grade moja no ewro roman hwe yade kura hintem omo scan machines awdo a omo scan ni padua no ne kwasia tikadia eso na nkokom na ekoto ase na wachiri bremo wachiri kase wachi dompe no na enyina ya ojane etutu a ni nyina na se obekọ no betu ase de ama na omo so more than 15 branches ewo Ghana ha ebi Kumase ehwa overseas junction Alpha Radio nchenwa Sasuna PM eso ewo Boise Council quarters a Court Junction ubon mo ho Sasuna Accra Dwami Market opium ogos wanchi Sasuna Techman Kranza Sunwane omo branches in bo from 0540 311 311 0540 311 from na biaso enya kama emfa ema na me pacho obofo obo Herbal and Medical Research Center obo Herbal and Medical Research Center a research center ya jeno kwa yodom suko ose ewura mo januma ewura e wo se ni padua no yeskane e wo se omo bese e doso ni padua na ne nyina no omo ye na omo tu yade biase afri nipadua no yade ogiri se edo beto na nan wonse edo yade na wo ka se edo bekọ wom no ko ekopiem obo research and medical obo research center na omuntu ase emfa emam obo eba clinic de me patrade bebre minti mumodim se obe utita ya eya no wa bre wa kuma ebo periperi eya na wa kuma na obu nyina ehyeso no ma enko emfa ma tese yade awuto bia no kwa omutu ase de ama diabetes anasa wona pe typhoid na opa na se kidney disorder na wo de ne ulcer anasa hepatitis anadem okwani nyina omutu ase eso de ama twomo che ko kuma se adoato adamanu last stop omo sof ma me kenkesela na edian twa from our number is 0257 472 506 0249 761 508 and 0550 191 514 ofre obo heba clinica omejo sran komo bia no omno wadina bibia so atma ye fan na bibia so atmi akwe eso adama abe heba clinic ma mi obe was it sexual weakness sasro bema odwon so bema no brekranse no hunu afon aye kete sanso ana de stomach osania etware ade no ofie okọ abe heba clinic ometu ase de ama etware ade ko udi na Africa kokura komankani ombeboa syphilis sansuna prostate cancer low sperm count gonorrhea odi malaria hole in heart to kura be do akuma bacterial infection ninya na abeba clinic say bro betu ase de ama enu atwa sickle cell there waye maami guda maame ba ko pe onu kwa ne wa no aduro ewo Ghana ha kumase enu wiase nyina no eya abeba clinic ko na ye de bia no mfa bibidro nto ase emfa ema o kuma se tano so apatrapa nim site oben apatrapa junction friend was 0243 345392 0243 345392 0506 460208 o friend na obejo so na nkomo bia no onu wadina bibia so atimi aye fan eno e de dia ye de emam enne e odwumadi so madaroma ene de dwumadi e de bron tantam so ada yemfa nsama odwa ya boaboa no enne wi shootout dwumadi no so no yemfa emu form den sha semfi ya boa eye player o from Ghana mu ha o seka o MLS num e America admit your friend Columbus Crew na ubeka pemo MLS num a ni team no na MLS Cup no omutim gye ento MLS Cup champion na ene eno jaboa atime pemo Ghana ha na pemo Kotoka International Airport wa no kwani nyame anum nie ekwa yo mo fa so mo woka mo yawo no na efe papa adoa na kete na omde yen homecoming no ni nyina se oba as MLS Cup champion what we the team ye fa Columbus Crew etmi age MLS Cup no am bia fine na atwa ne ye boketem na ye bonoma na ja boa eso ekura na bag no pe obi ne bag ama no na se o peso di asakakra eno e de tendi kramo me patoma crowd amon fan to somaye na nkrofo Kotoka International Airport abra jabua etache down eno ene daso no jaw no ene se oje MLS Cup winner na se obepiem no kwaya fa so welcome no ene se adoani edi ahima na yente kakra eno jaw jabua eno no na rival ene anopai e Kotoka International Airport ena so far ye diama e Sompa 93.1 FM suko Facebook abon se bia de dawo ne enko Black Queens for aswe na Black Queens maba we encheye ena obebo se e wo Ghana ha nyina so ma hye monyam etimi qualify for 2024 WAFCON ebeto dwa e wo Morocco ne nyina no se ne qualify bia chakakra na ena upiama maami efen Nora Hotel etimi garden maba we e dia qualify after say omu winning eye 3 games elusu ba ko share 15 goals e consider 2 na maba we say 3 games omu winning ye no omu bonus say waso omu nsaka no eno akwa nsem bebre omu nsentimi nkanje say maba wa no e dampanfo so mbesre e say e waso omu dom sika edima omu na adwuma no omu ye yo mato omu Ghana anim no e waso omu de sede e show mafrum na bibia so ye kama eno e de free mana so ye ba na Remo Black Queens asoya latest FIFA ranking aba abeto dwa no the Black Queens emaba wa no upiemu abebrem ha ye rank you on 4th omo toso 9 abra Morocco ena edikan South Africa ye 2nd Nigeria ye 3rd ena Ghana ye 4th na wiase nyina no Black Queens eso ye 61 omo the 61st position eno ediatia ye de emamo eso eno no yankwa homa no so na yankodi nkomane Iceman enkodi nkomo Ghana Premier League match week A15 Ghana be Cham United game no. Hello Iceman.
Yeah, Lita.
Boko de.
Lita yamya na wonse.
Nyamya to be krekram. Boy am nkomo Ghana be Cham United omu game no say na atmosphere ne tie boy nkomo kakra ne said ya no ma ekoso.
Yeah, Lita, your match here for Poche, I Sompa 93.1 from Nakoba and from Toman. We Ghana Premier League, I match 20 Jana on a book at the TI 20 Juna. Some of the say, the second is my best team, Senatia, would be edible after young Watana. We put up with Jim one, the team forever. And yes, you I say, on a book with the Yana team every and son of what in the 13 and special and a piano airport ha against Sakala Dema airport no a piano airport or ha and area and a bunch of started at the mind of one side and then a concert on the Bono, Ubina, and something for a goalkeeper. So I had some other very important officer. Silas and I Shaibu Jusu, Frank Owusu, Johnson to detail, Alex Watch, Imano Jamfi, and I Zakaria Mumoni, on my place and I'm a starting criminal and spending my 20 G and a Vienna. Now, Oko Ayatman, any Pichima, Ubanya there as Taruna on a goalkeeper. Soundfire founded up, someone was said before. Immoral Antonio, Oberton Okra, Aaron Esau, Sasha Planting game, and a other Yako, and a Tifa Cosmante, Debra Ayatan, and I am granted again, and you set a for and a set for you on a Saturday. Amongst a starting criminal, Edgemite managing and it should be not now for a never bench now. Ubenya Unisa Masaudu Sanfa A50 and this Natamwa. Imona Opo be Risaki, Kevin of me, Shanson Covenant, Douglas Uswanzam, for Tawoneri, and I agree at Pacifica. Now, Opo I have a chipping in Ubenya Benjamin A City Pacific, Sanskra Imona Anon, a bunch in G and Glasgow above A London, and I James A Papaya, and a bunch in G and Imona A Ababu Adams, and son, and I bunch in Imona Usu up the moment, Salifo, and I Ebenezer a Duke of 14. I want to open so at much money and if it's a Rest of some 24 pounds and already given on. I am going to Ibrahim by one on. I am community and I can put that tennis and I do not know. I am watching Gabriel for official. I am to Ladari. I am not for more. And I'm some making on because I am every YouTube money at 7 on. And that's a kid and as go and so much more to be after a bit for one or more airborne. Luther make coming for another. Fuel trap. So, able to enter a good mission for Bono. Say, mission for every area, Luther, anyone in the area.
Iceman, I've heard it for no more. You must send a city.
Luther, and I play working day, I play Friday, and can Mr. and Carrier start every game and support the choir, or from whatever. I'm a good one, Catala. I'm any Zakaria movement in that body. And so everybody is near about to now, right at the hour, what the better day, only 4 people. Nidi ane adari adi haruna na Brad no comment for kama. But the secretary the phone na nyaro na sino. Amonto aya na tama na by one boy. The chain na the NT. Na ubisa supporters na say na pay you know. Supporters na mutan awo from you. Yeah, na ma do tan na supporters say so. Nka eti na bo mano. The count supporters be say 153. And I want to go on game. Yeah, up and on. Like I said, the supporters no. And so I was so man, like I said, never play Friday to man. Again, supporters in MIA. And to the supporters let you go from
Iceman, better say, what me a boy and come here who said it so fair cost or doma, a general stars in the United for any day to be a set of former. Now, what damn name of one young say, a dinner, I take lead in by a long go. And only a call ya, you cocody and como, so a doma, a buy, no. She say, doma, Ghana, your Premier League in week 15, as shall say, and ne. Na Doma Adriana Stars ball against him. Your friend will be United. I'm Adriana FC. Etima taking lead, you know, and no idea down on. Na ye guswa ye kasa yanra and ye to him say Medema. Bobo kono qualify copy more Africa. Nina so mu pemo Ghana man panina suye. His Excellency Nana Adudanko Kufado. Boman hoba esomobo ese adese Obama omusikabi 1 million Ghana ama omuso timi dia aboa omutim no na enura said the two anim no enura na Ghana man panyini etimi fa the sports ministry no so presentation edi sika no edima mediam aboboko no ene yakwan no panyini efen Ebeneza Edu one brand and marketing manager edima mediam din komna buza so de ye tetini pictures ewe no no kre ese mediam Ghana man panyina ma monsa kasika no anasa monsa kan yenti nsema ode to yenim
ya beda o mampani ase esan se mijiri se ni nyuma dawso nti Monday ena yinya nti se omototo omo nsase na ya hwe na promise o mampani de maye no omatimi deliver ti enra ena president Moses Ama ka se mpenifo edi bibi ato na kwan mu nti anope membra and Kraina Mimbeka Honorable Duka and James Sifi, a former CEO, Nayanko Sports Ministry, Bianconcoji promise I the promise and I'm passing about 11 o'clock pepe and I call Parliament House, call Minister Office, and Yamiado my physical cash. 1 million Ghana cedis. It's a young fan supporting the African campaign. Your board Nanemu on behalf of the board of Mediama Sporting Club and then the president Moses Ama. Yendo Mampenias say, especially at this crucial stage, Yeko Tanzania.
Anu Yansama, Mr. Ebeneza Edu, brands and marketing manager at Mediama. A confirm my say ampa. Sikano omonsaka na ndiyemza se opanyi betimi aboye nchiremu kakra mediama mo trip yi ana mo campaign mo boka kakra na expenses amoye ni so far no say ne sitie
we share your preparation ya we will leave Ghana on Sunday and Bruni Beskena the money has come in handy obi beka say your trip in mediama trip we share ticket ni ade na I do most of it and as it stands now we are going with almost about 51 contingent to Dar es Salaam. Our ticket alone is costing us not less than $81,000. Ticket in Kwao. Baby Ebeda in Dar es Salaam. Eba beka hoa and sana players ne pay them winning bonus near there. Before we free Tanzania, we will spend not less than $150,000, and that is why he's pushing in the money. Okay, and no expenses are not. Right from time I started Champions League, president have not spent not less than $500,000 US.
And we and summer Mr. Ebeneza Edu Medema aswe no ode ema ye chichiri mo de ka ho eso eno no yenwura mu o heart to folk omo aswe ni nyina no sa heart to folk bobo eku no omo ede omo 22 man squad omo di Ebesia Nations FC on Saturday nyame pa ede china no omo de omo squad no ababa betutwa omo de ebebo na utimi se squad ne squad anu ode ne papa pasa 22 players no omo from war camp no your goalkeeper Richmond Ayi Richard Atta, your Michael Ampadu, Dennis Kosa, your Brand 7 Kofi Agbesima, Kevin Osei Asibe, Sasuna Winimi Thomas, Zakaria Yakubu, Eric Eso, Salif Ibrahim, Amankwa Buffy, Linda Intenge, Gideon Asante, and Rafael Amponsa, Michael Sapon, Hamza Isa Asubontin Enoch, Suraj Seidu Aziz Nuruddin, Martin Kakari, and Albert Yonde. Omo ene 22 man squad had to folk etma from omo de Babishia Nations FC ama bibia so ay kama nyame pade china na Nations FC obakaya ene anopai ewo eye full term dwumadie so ewo eye Sompa studio so omo CEO opanyina fe no Kwame Twumasi Dankwa ebe piem ofia me ni di nkomo ene just so had to folk game at Nations ene omo ebono day nsem no to supporters no enim na de said dia we to supporters no enim no enie
kakra ehia support. I feel say I was asante my boy team no oda de makotoko no so say yemfam half cram na embeboa and supporting nations and yen disappoint ya piece ya beto as good our team nim because as good ni obium nti I feel say yemfa sa odona na de support Ashanti teams na no more premier no yemfa be nations na try say be protected team no na team no ko baby a was any say ko na jina na ntina da na tena e be boa santeman because ye youth be bree ye bobo the team no wa yen so be fa bi e de o ma ba ho ma e be boa very most of the households am almost when baby because she players ni pa anti I feel say support is very important. I also obi o asantema mo be a data team na chi and more media no
anu yan sama Nations FC Ghana Premier League club or asantiment mwa opanyina we si odi a friend no Kwame Twumasi Dankwa to supporters ne asantman enyina anim na ye dema no ye kro bia kuma asante kotoko coach friend no Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum one ni team no eso eguso mo ahoboaboa ni nyina for game omni Great Olympics e de bepem so Premier League match week 15 for eda kwasiada emunese kotoko team no say omo kire so omo no nyina omo de no egugu na akwam na anoada omo che phobia etimi omo enyadoa say omo ball against Great Olympics and Dr. Nate Prosper Ogum and the Mranten Gusua omo preparation omo boabo omo hama bibia eso etimi ayekama eno na no magusua ekoso na Sunday babayara ho na game no ebetodwa na wohwe Great Olympics omo ne team efe na Sante Kotoko sanso se Olympics na ebo home ma bia kama no omo ne Kotoko head to head no na ede man 2022 2023 Olympics etwa Kotoko 2-0 na 2021 2022 and so Olympics ebo home no watcha Kotoko kotwan 1-0 eno edetia yede emam odwumade saso na ose Roma over 2020 2021 season Olympics ebo home no Kotoko ene ko ball 0-0 so the last 3 games next Kotoko win 1 Olympics win 1 ene mu baako aye draw eno edetia yede emam odwumade no so na Olympics de etene say omo bus na two from Nkran the nation's capital omnam kwanso mu bepiem eso ewo ekumasi abobo mo sada be ya nyame pa eda kwasiada omne kro bia kumasi Asante Kotoko game no ebetimi abaso eno ede tie no no ensama wodo abobo no na wiei ewo shootout dumadie no so Sompa 93.1 kasabdie so no ye besia badwafo nya atena se Michael akumia the sports messiah ewo ha saso asarebodu akumia Bokodiye.
Mejuso.
nsɛm ahodoɔ na yɛde agu fam.
Yes. I think yes, I enter into another week of the Ghana Premier League matches. Interestingly, there are few games to end the first round of the Ghana Premier League, and essential improving within some few times now. Nipadodo now more finish as on the top of the table after the first round of the Premier League. Not only do they continue to go and win the league. But it will be credit me drop it back down cry about Edeberry. But Luther, me to me a pass say, yeah, Baby Remun to the second round. Essential said Diana Stars, many other clubs no keep up on performances. Already leading by 1 goal no to Bechem United. Bechem United, check the form guide in terms of the previous tables now. Bechem United last 5 games, no one 11 points out of possible 15 points, which means form near par. But check it away from home for Bechem United. In the league, they are the second best team after Kumasa Sante Kotoko on the away league log, which means out of 7 games, or more 9 points. It's order to tone Seniania. Uboni said you are ending the first round in a much way more balanced kind of performance after a bad start. But the Kwakushi Diana Stars, which personally made it to me say the next 3 games and I say games I said that and I said the next 2 games in that and said the first round no you'll have to finish up high, but very difficult grounds for Makako Pino. And the Diana Stars have not gotten good results in the last few games and they needed a bounce. It's this particular win will speak a lot in this particular encounter between these 2 teams. Samatex and Yadrop Yawa Betosu can due to the current live table of Diana Stars in the top. But Samatex will be going to Baby any Gold Stars. Somba Kobo Baby any Gold Stars. Difficult game against a Baby any Gold Stars team. Omania a new coach, new manager bounce. Every single player within the team will be looking for somebody to make a point. Not any other coach, but Frempong Mansoa who say Okopie more. Bofakwa. Now they start in the might be on one day difficult power Bofakwa ni Omosho. Almost say yeah.
My young guy, you're more Juma.
Almost say yeah. No munya de bako to net moi. Netiano.
That's what dinner.
And what thing. So some test baby or more down. They will also need to finish the first round on a very good note. Quality players, consistent. Baba Hamadou Musa has proven to be very consistent for them. Emmanuel Kayeke, Ivan Sosai Capitu. All of these guys let me make sure say on performance because once Diana Stars are shining, Diana Stars number 27. Then Samatex never second with 26 with 1 match in hand because more.
Okay.
But the impact of Adriana Stars game will have another impact on the game between Samatex and Baby any Gold Stars due to Samatex some person more finish the first round at least at the top half of the table closer to the title. And then so the first time I own a Samatex so we and our coach what Samatex. Let me know you Samatex. Coach what Samatex I finish the first round on top of the table. Okay, Kim Facer. I think it was last season and last 2 seasons on finish the first round on top. Last 2 seasons, you real first half na Kim Facer and that first. Now coach we are na
okay.
Coach Nuruddin.
Okay.
On one na it's an wasabe PM or Samatex is also baby man. A very essential say at least the 2 systems within the 2 clubs in the betcha baby on be finish it. And now we are so Nations FC so in the last few games so no Luther. And yeah better how Otaki table no any more form guide in the last few games are Nations FC Ankasa no Omaba be sign other teams when it comes to the form table. In the last 5 games, Nations FC were 15 points, Mike. Almost 5 goals are conceded 1. Which means almost 1. It's 5 out of 5, 15 solid points. Against an Accra House of Folk team, almost 13th in the form guide table. Out of the last 5 games, the House of Folk 5 points.
Okay.
Almost 5 goals are conceded 6 minus 1.
House of Folk.
Because House of Folk they commit me at but ube check you home table now. Nations FC Ewofie out of possible 21 points omukuta 17.
I see.
That means if you know so man one day day. So that's why I say form na nkasa no mo so ye day. Ewo. Na odi ano so kwa House of Folk away from to say. House of Folk last and 7 away games awabo no. Was 4 goals I consider 6 minus 2 ekuta 6 points. Coach Mingo, Yehunijuma dia odi wo Bechem United. Bechem United comes closer to the league title, no more dropping. Omoba closer to the league title, no more dropping. One of the most consistent coaches in the Ghana Premier League, Coach Kasim Mingo.
And idea unique a man was lucky. So on an assistant now, there is a cordial relationship.
There's a cordial relationship. And I was very happy, say I saw some Motiano Manopa trying to talk. When now will be me in some big pejai at the start of the season. Abana resort same corner as some more penage and acquiring all of these is by no Moses house story Nina. Concern getting Kitibina and Kosu team. But it is good the team has been stabilized. And we're proving beyond reasonable doubt in the Ghana Premier League say. So Oman Emre so on Fanya Juma. Luther, Coach Kasim Mungo will not only improve your team, but obey improving individual players be under him at that chibino. Sebia upe ukra ton krana bit maton and your correct value.
Okay.
At Bechem United, it was not only about results. Clinton Yodu was in junior high school. I ran all under Coach Kasim Mingo.
Senior high or junior?
A junior high school. No young senior high school.
Until from junior no
graduate. Of course, to Kroyan Dibe 3 years cry.
Okay.
Junior high school, 15 years, 14 years boy under Kasim Mingo.
Okay.
Shedo City here no. Arona Sel. Emmanuel Ano. Our the 2 coins are kobai. Over here some loss for.
Okay.
Most of these players, Latif and Abila, now they carry a woo okotoko. I know the koi. Or revive you know. Look at the performances. August no crab 2 kwa and then they chilling in us. So Babiana. Untimi attribute to August no crab form no without Kasim Mingo. 6 solid seasons. Oh, be chim. Shem koda me pie free be chim waba. Wo the waf when you boo and then koda no mo na be chim team nim. Should you improve Isco? Francis Trene. So at Nations FC, they could finish the first round on a high, and at the same time have a coach who is gradually improving players be within their setup.
What did you see you ne Canada no pay? Was it Omobeji Ghana League? You know?
I wouldn't be surprised, but it is too early to talk about it. The only time who said a Premier League debutant Tababeji League was Adriana Stars. The last time
Nations intimate and replicate this Adiana.
On say some of these things happen in the world. What said the Leicester City G Premier League, you know.
Okay.
I'm not discounting the facts in Nations FC and share a new good team. I'm telling you, Luther, Omo boy den pa. And can you Omo boy no share number 7 G's. Omo friend said Nafi Suleiman was saying. Unya 10 one swa. Asa no mo captain of the side, Imano boy. Player first. Na team na nkasa na team di ni bebo 6 team di ko bo 8 team side de ko bo 7 team di ko bo be na 2 and 3 no waje honi nyina fa. Last time against the Real Stars the ball 3 previous games against Kumasi Asante Kotoko the ball 2 iti Emmanuel Boahen look at the improvement also no mo say Karazak Simpson ni per no performances and wadan edi and gradually Nations FC is becoming a thorn in the flesh of many teams. It only has a folk intriguing game to actually look inside, looking at the performances of both teams. How I hear some Mozambique common results. Then over this particular weekend, a great Olympics. Also, your home game. I'm talking about the dynamics of how most of these teams can finish the first round on the league high. Yeah, but I be removed to game now. But how to finish the first round because at least 3 matches. The 3 matches very good determinant factor for most of the teams with how we finish the first round. And when you say the Premier League second round, no, I'm not sure that you're intense giddy because already you know I found 1 2 year. Luther, all the matches need to be better. What the better? Because person are down for be surviving. Some of these things in order to avoid it in the first round, you finish it over finishing on high.
That be.
So on the you have to finish it on high. And Koroko has putting themselves in a certain position now. Oma League na see, but in terms of recent form, any of current standings, you know, Kumasi Asante Kotoko is the 3rd best team in terms of form guide.
Okay.
5 matches, 12 points. That means out of 15 points, you know, Osanka Kotoko, enya ebi abe 10 crown and Seleba Kotoko guta 12, which means form ne. Now, what the way finish the first round now? Kotoko now has been lucky because teams no money on body free crying, but no more your matches and the Aba Kumasi. So it is like Kotoko is playing home away from home.
Diana has
Funyano. It now Kotoko has become comfortable and they could finish the first round in their favor.
Okay.
Already Washe has normally can cry about 2 away matches now to us. Kobo has we are at nan kan asa Olympics.
Financially
asa boa omo now Kotoko stays in Kumasi. Washe has or say Olympics. Kotoko did not have one of the best home forms this particular season. Kotoko Tifie na nkasa no omoto so 9th in terms of the home table guide. Home table no Kotoko 7 matches now abono okuta 12 points out of 21, which is not typical of Kotoko. But o check away form no for Kotoko. Kotoko na the best away playing club in the league. Out of the 7 games na Kotoko abono away no okuta 10 points.
Okay.
It Kotoko na say go home away from home. What's up double because away from na kro ya there that no say away from na say aba ha. Bra was so picky the home form no abra results in share down ko yie. So if Kotoko is mixing between these particular factors, the next few games getting towards the end of the first round could see them finish up the top of the table. 2 away games in Nobebo Fiba Kotoko next games of Bebono, Luther and Unie. So Bo Olympics Baba Yara. Or you have a certain Baba Yana Saswasabo out to you.
Okay.
About out to you we are. The other best finish here Bofakwa. Bofakwa so no, let me say see a banner a day.
Edomos.
It's on Kotoko Besa Nations home. Because one above a Bebo
Abraham Kesi.
It Kotoko finish the table high in the first one by getting 9 points out of the 3 games. Due to these particular things. Nano na bet na se ahwedi. No asaso ahwe. Table na nkasa no mo wi su wom kakra. Se ehwe mo wi ne kakra na obekwa ase wo say out to you da ho. Now out to you no this particular weekend against Brekum Chelsea Ofie. Omutimi Brekum power. Brekum. But what is the dynamics for out to you in this particular quest? So mo person mo kemwa. Now obetena tamaliabo. Otena tamaliabo no. Ubebusa say ni home form te say na away form te say. Out to you ankasa this season no home form ne sheda anye gidigidi biasa wo check your motor so 11th. 6 home games 11 points. Away guide. Over say out to you and a toss 17th on the league log. Out of 7 away matches now out to you were 3 points but that means away it's the essence of getting your home points before a first round you be breaking the essential starting from against Brekum Chelsea. Now over out to you next game so mbetimi aboa Luther omo ball Brekum Chelsea Ofie then omo be traveler be Kotoko away from nye iti Kotoko de no be cancel no it was by king some person we first round no on the top and also mo peer out of the relegation zone and who ya some be Brekum Chelsea as a show Olympics.
Okay.
Because about 2 home games 1 away game in the last 3 games towards the first round of the Ghana Premier League. So home form near there for home form no. Ninya 6 points. Unya 6 points now. Nipa won't ne compete on the table in terms of how our person who escape relegation no. Dreams FC. Dreams FC Bo Africa intermittently. Dreams FC bet me Bo Africa na dia qualify no concentration because some league na normally medical kasa same we say league form and Africa form no 2 different things. And in recent times in the Ghana Premier League, your teams no more tie ball Africa no. Ana a dream maybe say no more league no more tie settle to say you more film. Omo film na some league ni mo na fe form na say dey. Apida.
I don't know what some pebre na mo chire mu because esa na omo said that emfa league ni seriously. And now say ya no some players in be pra because of Africa no. And I dey na mo kwa omo perform better outside Ghana but omo ba na omo performance no adepo no.
Luther, one basic thing I mean is say managing 2 competitions na to be a team bia na asha da fa ne sa.
Okay.
But especially playing at the international level and playing on the local scene. Motivation. What the mention and the Ghana Premier League, you know, we need 2 or 3 matches for us so it will left to over to be 4th, 5th. I'm saying we win as a sakakra. I'm saying the other stars still was say we just have that top. And top of the table is not changing as too fast as open. It is one person who will be a Dreams FC kid and Karela. And this weekend, Nankasa so check it here. Karela Money Dreams FC wouldn't be a boko call the Luther. Let me say weekend is going to be a very good game for RTU to win again because Karela more and more this particular weekend due to I think Africa now with the likes of Mediama and Dreams. Karela
Omumbo this week.
it is safe for
minim the into omo of maybe to prepare for omo games on my body are fine. So media medin can game.
Media medical
Obo FA
Cup.
So maybe to allow them to prepare for Africa number.
Tanzania.
Yeah. But before that come here crowd to us. The question you asked. Certain teams and combining two competitions and bomboni. Bako experience.
Okay.
The tosumi no a squad size. Experience ne obi say alali. Idea oye ne dada.
Okay.
Enti say oye recruitment in a way or top players ne say ne be ya or share the number of matches or bebo. Any players know how resourceful on be to or no club no. Na or the edin juma say. A club like Dreams, so bebo group stage of an African club competition by not necessarily design, but you find say when you as a matter of form or chance. Form ne bet me by in the season na waje cap be no the rim. Into say ideally na ahoboa ne hyehyeye ene de do mani so no. Na Andrusa.
Okay.
So now they will need to do a makeshift arrangement. And then I na recruitment no into only a good sample size for the squad. Or bet me you see throughout competitions or bet take part in. Because first on na dream and so be FA Cup or be Ghana Premier League. Now Africa so have account. So it doubles up in terms of the number of games our players able. Football you say the intensity nebo. You play with energy. More now we spend the energy no more na player no also will break a crack into I net tier one so and then no affected teams no you will be say happy it has happened to Newcastle.
Oh yeah,
good. Injuries is to me bem into because more now players neighbor no they exposed to muscle injuries near here into ni na no ekoko affected team ne if say onye team or ye perennial competitors ewo Africa and Europe say obon year after year and we aboa ne ho into the Newcastle fame na enye bi na Man City fame the Dreams FC and media ma be fame na enye bi na Alali and na work bi be fame
because me know what kasamentwa no Ali say obo Champions League obo Egyptian League say obo Club World Cup ne
inti nhyehyɛ no ɔmaye ne sɛ ne be ya ɔmo squad no they can cope with it and I'm on players neighbor no munya experience into omunim how to manage ASR levels and most of these teams no more ASR no so I know more scientific aspect in terms of measuring player load manage will load say games are over no omuni na ni na na top into omutimi monitor cry into game bi wo ha fa player we mbo bi wonti ase it is because of all these arrangements into your teams ne more consistent at group stages of Africa now. Then they will get to grips with some of these. No most way involve you the science aspect and the other aspect. So your recruitment away na buano. So that will be cater for that experience partner. The second one was here naturally. Ye nipa. And I'm saying na babe tomu di amame. Yen fan is in the makacha say. Luther, may use voice ni bebre na ebia next week. Bedo ko US. Ama wakwa year presentation minti me hear our voice no. It will affect before next week in Ebeba.
I know correct.
Me a player na me bo Dreams na me bo Africa. Na league match wo hwa. Meaning say Africa no e bigger than the league game. Enti se me be ginemu a there are certain things I may ya. El Shaddai expose me bebre to injury. But me kwa Africa na me kume ho pa. So these are factors a player.
Because on South Africa, obetime contract outside.
Good. Inti more na ye minim say Africa number one spell. Say US na me de oko na one spell. But say minim say Africa no crowd this year menye year next year me boy. Me to my dream whether league or Africa consistently I play. But we know I bet once in out of 10 BR 10 years BR. Inti me kwa I need to take the Africa serious and not be affected the league form now. And this annual money in Aba.
Now, Ebasa, budget wise, it may affect BB.
Oh, yeah, financially.
Because it be a dream sequel, and say, or no crown or Kobo prelims no Wasiaba. So, in the budget for a campaign, no, ye be at $10 million. All of a sudden, we'll run into the group stage. The budget and there was so increment back home. Ebasa, it may affect their results in on performance. No,
ideally, Ghana club will be anywhere or
a huge budget for continental competitions.
Sir.
Yeah, because when was the last time a club said ball group stage apart from media money dreams? Good. Yeah, no be kaya kotoko. Anyway, under Dr. Kwame Kotoko code group stage, a Kobo Confederation Cup.
Yeah.
Good. So it means that once every 5 years or ideally twice every 10 years, and your teams need to make about the group stage. Clubs no more budgets no more year after year and season after season. And I am not to mean cater for that. Now, in the aspect of motivation, say you bet your motivation of my players. The players need to come up. About Africa, you bet you we know a winning bonus beba. So I know your problem more. Where budget in the issue no, the clubs na nkasa penny for no, because now they are spending more money for air traveling arrangement, for accommodation and feeding, then even match preparation. Because obo ofie kra, obeya hoboa e de akwa akobo match no. Now obekika ni na bom no, any the financial rewards e be free competition no maba no, you will still run at a loss.
Okay.
Alali budget was spent on the CAF Champions League. Prize money no nyano. And drew even 40%.
Yeah.
So obeboka. Now, how do they compensate for that? A honor na yen drew no. Through corporate sponsorship.
Okay.
Maybe through the FA financing and our government financing. And then the third one will be how the fans are able to mobilize money or funds to support. And to support us, we have not gotten there yet because the dreams, eka say, mobilize fans are the supporters no more. So it means that you're very dependent on corporate sponsorship. Companies are so they are not much into sports investment because of ebia menu mienu and will be a wabonte in sema plus clubs nanka saju medi omudi wabonte a good league ni hufin nti companies name person omudi omo be bataye. So these are issues that we need to deal with. We'll get there. It's not like you need talent, no, but we don't have all the resources enough to make us very competitive at the continental stage. And in times, you are more consistent in terms of appearances and participation. Then the other factors will play into the advantage of these teams. Now, because Anka Kodoko, say Kodoko, ya Santimai team no Koba Africa. It is a Sikasem Yanena, but at the sa. So gradually, we need to change the narrative. Into media, obey all the clubs near your modia, FNA and the send a bear clubs and any football in about 2 years. Near dear football in Hunko Mobia. A day dim puntu sika ebe right game nanya dia a cause controversy enya dia a bully in hufin say we a club who did juma we a club official who did juma ojumedi a we no make sure say oh yeah ama e de enimo nyam emum na abre football na enye se eba begu ye football ni hufin o ye media o project say dia komia ye wa he he's doing a pure statistical analysis of the Ghana Premier League so far and all making a projection into the rest of the games at the baby first round and you're positively selling the GPL product.
Oh yes.
Into a bet now and one kana and a league in there and a mo just in the cry and a league in the born and yet there he's using his niche or use the wire statistics on our day turn league no be so some e was some CFM we so some e will be TV now we'll throw sunlight no more on a league eventually what happens is that a man for conduct.
Oh yes.
Didn't yet know about the role for product OBC and the LPM man.
Oh yeah.
We are projecting the product or the service now client or render so that what you become aware and then also interested. If I am a media man and I don't make you aware and interested in the local football arena, I have failed.
Really?
Yeah. Awareness and interest.
Okay.
We need to drive it. I said yeah, because if the league product no be the media stands to benefit from it.
Be
good. So if I don't create the awareness and I don't drive the interest, if I so in the room, so I see a society. Rarely do you see any football conversation about local football. No, who's a positive and mostly the negatives.
Oh yes.
And gradually we need to shift the narrative.
Because one thing about Akumia dia wo kan obetna statistics. Any normal warrior now. One fa bibi kura ma say ebeduru no bo we be jama ma we.
Exactly.
But once we better eduru a we kwa obe jama. And resource no ebe known to public. Ebe say esa na obi a wo tie no kwan enye palatable. E man because game a me kwa kwhwe a resource here known.
We need to change. We need to change. Yeah, we changes bebre. Na sa league ne ho komo no. And dem me call the next phase. Why na ye in charge of the local national football team, the Black Galaxies. Coach Masoud Didi Dramani. Onukroya double as an assistant coach within the senior national football team, the Black Stars setup. Coach Didi Dramani, represent a league, no, our Black Stars coaching setup name. Way yes, Reno. League na there have been quality in terms of players. Dreams FC, Abdulaziz Isa, the Obesha Kotoko with that free kick.
Yeah.
Onukwe Omoko Africa share. Within the medium ranks, there have been quality. I have Frebi Kram or Makobo, Nuruddin Abdullah, central defender. Yeah. Hamidu Fatao, left back. No. Good. There have been quality. Medium showcase. Asante Kotoko Richmond Lamte. Yehudia or Yaman for Bonidin, Razak Simpson, Nations FC, Abdulmanaf. Guma in Swatreman. So there are individual players who are showing brilliance. Emmanuel Keyeke, Samates. If the coach Didi Dramani, ain't me I recommend at least 3 local players. Say we mo dear me wo gidie wo mu so mo be blasters ni mu a. They will not just add up to the numbers, but omo be increase the competition level amongst the players now. No, he is to project the league. Local players, it means you should trust the local core of players. Channel and what they call the international stage. Oh, yeah. So if you 3 minimum, at least you 3 players are you feel so much me can blasters team no one training, no more so justify or more inclusion. A big indictment on the Juma called Didi Dramani here, and even a big indictment on our league. And watching Sankomo way no. I think I'll come here and continue.
Mate, me da say yemfa dwuma di nsi ye bre na nya so. Na say adom na se etin kwamu a echina said the kan no ano papa ebo 9 na rest momra na brabehwe na because say enra wote manager nkomo no ka kire rest no. Ti say misra na makai ne mpaibom. Why? Ya mon kai no. Why?